Hello YouTube, how's everybody? Hey, I got a package from Finland. I'm pretty sure it's this Gransfors Bruk's small forest axe, 19-inch. I got from Amazon. I purchased on November 20th and took 10 days. Today's November 30th. Actually came yesterday and to get here. Now let's open it up and see. So that is exactly what that was. Gransfors Bruk made in Sweden with the maker's mark here, CS, and has a leather cover. Has an X booklet right here, made of hickory handle. Let's see. Oh, not perpendicular, but good enough. Has a lanyard hole. So let's get a better look. Here's the edge. Looks like it's well fitted, nicely fitted. Has 19-inch handle. I had two of these. I had a one just like this one. It's the small forest axe, and also I had a carpenter's axe from Gransfors Bruk. But I gave them to my son-in-laws, one each. So this is a replacement for myself. So I gave my two axes to my son-in-law. Looks like it's well fitted to the head. I don't see any gap. Of course, at this price, I don't expect to see any. This is a Swedish tool axe. And, whoa, razor sharp. You can cut through paper, no problem. Yeah, it is razor sharp. This side you can use as a hammer. This is their most popular brand of axe. It is 2.2 pounds. The head is only 1 pound or something. Weight 2 pounds. It's good for camping. Got 5 stars, so must be good. Well, the one that I had before was excellent. So this is a replacement. So I'm gonna have to take it to the woods and do some chopping. Of course, today is just the open box review. Looks good enough. I wish the grain here is a little bit more perpendicular, but that's okay. And this holster looks like it's well made of leather. It fits well in there. The maker was CS, Gransfors Bruk, made in Sweden. At this price, it better be good. Anyway, I think it is good. It's their most popular model. Thank you all for watching.